Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Thanks for checking things out here at WXYZ.com. Forecast-wise, we have settled into some dry air here. I'll show you that in just a little bit. It's certainly cooled off, too. You know that. It'll be impressive to show you some of these lows coming up. But I want to start with Harvey now. Tropical Depression Harvey is out here in the southwest Gulf. This part of the Gulf is called the Bay of Campeche. And unfortunately, it looks like it may be headed toward the Texas coast. So as it comes on shore, sometime probably Friday night, maybe Friday evening, and then it just hangs around and does a loop around Houston. And you remember last year, Houston had all kinds of flooding problems. And this could be a real serious problem with flooding too, in terms of southeast Texas, maybe southwest Louisiana as well, through the weekend. So watching out for that if you got family and friends. If you got fan-friendly people down there, that's great too. But if you got family and friends, let them know it's coming. I'm sure they already do. But all right, around here, much drier. Tonight, down to 53 in Detroit. It looks like maybe a sprinkle in the evening, not much of that. And then the clouds fade away as the sun goes down. And overnight tonight, we'll go 53. That's quite a bit cooler this morning. We're at 58. And then I think there'll be some 40s in the suburbs tomorrow morning. So maybe the jacket is not a bad idea. You won't use it for a long time, but you might need it for the first few minutes anyway. Tomorrow's high 73. That's a little cooler than today as well. It's pretty bright, at least to start the morning hours. The clouds will start to build up, maybe a sprinkle in the afternoon. And I want to let you know about the Bassmaster forecast. All right, there's a big Bassmaster Elite Series tournament starting Thursday, going through Sunday out on Lake St. Clair. The prize money, top prize, $100,000. It's going to be on ESPN. This is a big deal. And it looks like winds aren't going to be too terribly bad. Probably the gustiest day out on the lake is tomorrow. Most case, though, winds in 5 to 10 miles an hour and some pretty good weather with temperatures in the 70s. All right, here's your 7-day forecast. Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, mid to upper 70s. That's really nice. Now, you notice 51 and 53 Friday and Saturday morning. So tomorrow morning, maybe some 40s. Friday and Saturday morning, we could have some lows in the 40s in the suburbs. Again, a bit of a chill there for a while.